Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about RCA Roku TV black screen with sound fix, how to reset and no picture. Fix 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Wait for about 10 minutes to allow residual power to dissipate. Plug the TV back in and turn it on to check if the picture returns. Fix 2. Inspect external devices. Disconnect all external devices, that is HDMI cables and USB drives. Restart the TV to see if the issue persists. Reconnect devices one by one to identify any faulty connections. Fix 3. Factory reset the TV. Locate the reset button on the back of the TV. Use a paper clip to press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. Release the button and wait for the TV to reboot. Fix 4. Contact RCA Support. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it's advisable to contact RCA customer support for further assistance or consider professional repair services. The link for customer support will be provided in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on the screen. Here you will find the support option. You can select your country. Here you will get the phone number and the email ID of two countries. You can select and ask for support from wherever you belongs to. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video and subscribe also. Press the bell icon for upcoming videos.